QA madness.
In this video, we will talk about installing IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. Note that in order to create a Maven project you must have Java and Maven installed. Links to the installation videos can be found in the description below the video. Open Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Open the page with JetBrains distribution kit. You can find the link in the description under this video. Click the download button. As you can see, there are two versions of the program. Free Community and Paid Ultimate with a 30-day free period. In most cases, a free version will be enough to write tests in Java. So click the download button in the Community section. The download will start automatically in the folder you specified. Open the folder with the downloaded file and run it. Select the folder to install, and click Next button. In the installation options step, verify checkboxes box next to 64-bit launcher. If you have a 64-bit version of Windows, add launchers dir to the path, and .java. All these are not mandatory parameters, but they will make your life easier in the future. Complete the installation. In the last step, it is recommended to restart the computer immediately, but in the video we will select the option I want to manually reboot later. Start IntelliJ IDEA from the shortcut on the desktop, or from the Start menu. If you are installing IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, you will need to accept the license agreement. If this is not the first installation, then after the first run you will be prompted to import the settings. In our case, we select Do Not Import Settings and click OK. Our next step will be to create a Maven project. In the Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA window, click the New Project button. In the menu on the left, select Maven. The Project SDK dropdown will automatically select the latest version of Java that you have installed. Click Next button. Give your project a name and choose a location. Click the Finish button. Project creation and indexing will take some time, after which IntelliJ IDEA will be ready for use. Now let's publish your project on GitHub. In the IntelliJ IDEA window, in the top menu, click VCS and select Create Git Repository. In the Open window, select the folder with your repository and click OK. If you open the root folder of your repository, you will notice the .idea folder. IntelliJ IDEA creates it for its own needs, and since this folder is not part of your project, there is no need to publish it. To remove it from the list of publications, right-click on it, then hover the cursor over Git. In the new menu, hover over Add to .gitignore, and in the new menu, select Add to .gitignore. Confirm creation. In the Add File to Git window, click the Add button. The repository is now ready to be published. In the top menu, click on Git, hover over GitHub and select Share Project on GitHub. In the Share Project on GitHub window, name the repository, check the private box if you want it to be available only to you and the people you grant access to, and add a GitHub account if you haven't done it before. Then click the Share button. Check all files in the Add Files for Initial Commit window. Click the Add button. Wait for the publishing process to complete, then you can go to your account and make sure the repository is successfully published. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel to find useful guidelines and tips in the future.